Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a first impression and a review kind of a video, and today I finally received my Morphe AVANI palette and I am just so excited. If you don't know who is AVANI, is a very talented TikToker. She is like a very talented makeup artist, you can say as well. She's not a makeup artist, but she's very good, very unique type of makeup, and this is her palette right over here. She is beautiful. I just love this thing. This is the Morphe AVANI palette and this is what the palette looks like. I am so excited to talk about this particular palette. I don't own that much Morphe palette. I own one, their 9 pan shadow palette, but I purchased this one with my own money and I was so excited to get this one particularly because there is something so unique about this palette. Guys, this is like my advice. If you are getting any kind of Morphe palette, I think you should go and get this particular one, and I'm gonna obviously tell you why. So yeah, let's get into this video. AVANI palette, and this is what the packaging of the palette looks like. As you guys can see, it's like not like very big, but it's not small as well. The back side of this palette, as you guys can see, like little illustrations. I really love it. It's like some green heart and then some pink, and it's written AVANI over here. And this is what the front looks like. It's written AVANI over here and it's in black, and here you have the name and everything. And for the pips, also get a mirror, which is very good quality, by the way. Like, this is a very beautiful big size mirror that you are getting over here, and you can see your entire face. I really love when I get a mirror with any kind of eyeshadow palette. And here what the palette looks like. Just look at this. Now let me just say this, like, why I think this is unique, because I have seen so many Morphe palettes. Like, don't get me wrong, I have seen so many Morphe palettes. I have nothing against them. I really love like the Morphe palette and their colors, formula and everything, but I do feel like there are so many shades which are like a repeat, same brown or maybe same yellow, 2-3 types. You guys can see you get a sea blue color, you get a deep blue color, and then you get a violet, like a purplish indigo kind of a color. So it's like different, but with some Morphe palette I do feel like it's the same color, 1 or 2 tone deeper or lighter. Rather than that, it looks just the same. This is expensive, okay? You are getting a palette for 3,000 something, and after that, if you see that there are like, if I am not getting different shades, if I am not getting like unique shades in a palette, I am not going to buy it. So I think this palette is very unique just because of the fact you get so many unique shades. For example, this gray shade right over here, I haven't seen any palette with such a beautiful gray shade. Beautiful. This is, what should I call this? This is a like very beautiful indigo, purplish, lilac kind of a color. You can say you get a full white, you get a glitter, one glitter, you get like one very bright yellow from the same family. This 4 color right over here, like this orange and this yellowish orange and this like tomato red and this deep red, they are from the same family. But rather than that, just look at the uniqueness of the palette. So here, this section is your eyeshadow, and this particular section over here is not your eyeshadow, it's your water activated liners. That's the uniqueness of this particular palette. That's why I thought of, no matter what, I have to purchase this palette because it's so unique, so beautiful. You have like a section of, I think you have 20 different eyeshadow shades, and then over here you have like a 10 different water activated liner, which is like very pretty. You have to wet your brush. Here, this is written right over here, you have to wet your brush before you like use this particular section right over here. The first shade that I'm gonna swatch is this one. I'm gonna start from here, the white one, matte white shade. Wow, this is pigmented. This is the white shade right over here. This is what it looks like. It is like a, it does not feel chalky or anything like that. It do feel very like smooth. So yeah, it's very pigmented as well, as you guys can see. Then I'm gonna swatch this one right over here. Ooh, what? This is just amazing. Oh my god, just look at that. This is beautiful. I am going to swatch this one right over here. Beautiful orange. Wow. Okay, wow, this is like so beautiful. I don't think I have anything bad to say about this palette. Let's swatch this yellow shade right over here. Yellow shades are very tricky. They look sometimes pigmented, but they are not that pigmented. Okay, this is pigmented, but this do feel a little bit dusty. Swatch it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Watch my most favorite shade in this palette, and this is what the shade looks like. Just look at this. This is not a usual shimmer, like a pink shimmer. It is so smooth and so buttery. It looks so beautiful. I don't know if you can see this over here, but I can see in person how beautiful this particular shade is. I think if I use this particular shade all over my eyelid for my everyday, I'm good to go. It's like beautiful. It does not contain any kind of glitter, but it contains a beautiful shimmery shift to it. And here the first row is done. Now let's start from here. This is like a very beautiful deep pink kind of a shade. This is what it looks like. It contains a very deep pink, like not pink, a purple undertone to it. This is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Watch this shade right over here, which is known as 2016. First we swatched Clown, and now we are going to swatch 2016. It's like a red which contains an orangish undertone to it. Yeah, you can totally see the difference. Like this red is more deeper than this one. This red is like more, what you can say, it's like more of a like orangish tone kind of a red, which also contain a pink tone also. Like you can see it's like deeper pink kind of a red. Now I am going to swatch this one right over here. It's like a mustard yellow kind of a shade. It feels really smooth. This is what it looks like. This brown shade right over here. You'll feels actually. Look at that. So beautiful. Over here, you get two glitters, by the way. One is a glitter like this, which is silver glitter, and one is a glitter like this, which is kind of like an orangish glitter. A glitter plus shimmer also. And this is what it looks like. Wow, this is stunning. Now I am going to swatch this one right over here, I think. Yeah, it looks something like this. It's like a purple eyeshadow. Watch this one right over here. I'm very excited, by the way, for this particular shade. This is what it looks like. Are you kidding me? What? Like this is such a unique shade. This deeper blue shade right over here. It is like so pretty. Look at that. Let's swatch this one. We're gonna swatch it. It's like a very beautiful blue shade. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch this one. This is not a white shade, as you guys can see. It's a shift of light blue. Like it's not a sky shade also. It's a very baby blue kind of a shade. Just going to swatch it over here. Like see how beautiful and pastel this particular look is. I just love how she kept all the like matte and deeper shades and also some pastel shades as well, because pastel is now like a trend. So I think that's a good thing about this palette. So this section is done. Now the last section is left. I'm gonna swatch the black one over here. Wow, this is it. This is so pigmented. Oh my god, I was not expecting this much pigment. Over here, and let's see how it feels. Wow, this is such a beautiful soft gray shade. There's a glitter, this pressed glitter right over here. This also feels very buttery and smooth. Looks something like this. Wow, this is like stunning. Right over here, this is like a deeper forest green kind of a shade, which looks something like this. Okay, over here I think this is what it looks like. This palette is this one, which is a very beautiful lime green kind of a shade. This is what it looks like. So this is your entire eyeshadow section, like 20 eyeshadow section, swatched. Let's do one eye look first. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Matte Concealer as my eyeshadow base. I love using this particular concealer as my eyeshadow base. Big blending brush, and which one should I use first? I think I should go with the gray one. I don't know why, but I just want to see how it looks. Oh wow, this is so, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like, can you see how smoothly it just took me 1 second or maybe 2 seconds to blend this particular eyeshadow. It's so pretty. Shade over here. And don't worry, I am going to do few more videos using this particular palette, so stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna go with this shade right over here, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with this one. Can you just see that? Oh, I love it. Taking the gray shade and I'm just building the color up a little bit. This is the most unique eye makeup look I have ever filmed. This white shade, and I'm gonna take a fluffy flat brush and I am going to use it over here just so it looks very clean, and it gives a, like, see how beautiful this looks, like ombre shift to it. I'm just going to use this glitter right over here, just a little bit, not too much. I'm going to take the same brush that I have used and I'm going to use it over here. Wow. And I'm gonna add this liner only from this palette. I think I'm gonna add I don't know, I'm feeling like I should add the blue one. So you have to wet your brush first. I'm just taking some water, and the brush that I'm using is a angled brush from Plume. So I will take the blue shade just like this, and I will draw a wing liner. It's not pigmented, it's like very pigmented, very matte and very beautiful. Do this eye and I will use some eyelash and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I am so in love with this particular makeup look. Like, look at the eyes, it looks so beautiful. And I am just going to wait for your recreation. You do not have to particularly need this palette to do this makeup look. Do it with whatever you have. If you want to switch the colors, do it with that. Do it with blue, yellow, purple, pink, anything that you have. And yeah, this is the look that I have created with this particular palette, and I'm quickly going to share my final thoughts about this one. I'm going to rate this palette a big 10 out of 10 because for the reason it is so unique, as I have already mentioned, and also the quality and everything is just stunning. I just love how it blends and everything. Obviously, I am going to do some other eye looks as well using this particular eyeshadow palette, but for now I am completely in love. I have never used a palette like this. I've never seen a palette like this, and it is like just unique as it is. How to purchase this palette? If you want to purchase this palette from any kind of international makeup store, you have to pre-order it. I'm gonna like mention few international stores down in the description box, and also the store from where I purchased this particular palette. If you let them know, they will take your pre-order, so you can I also pre-ordered it. Wait for a few weeks and after that you will get your palette. So yeah, I am completely in love with this. I think it's totally worth your money, and this is what my eye look looks like. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.